Shit, it's just B Simone just looking at her like, And she telling her how bad, and she was like, yeah, that happened all this past year, and B Simone like, mm, mm. Yo, and this shit is just, it really is on some like, nah, bro, that shit kind of, that shit is weird. Okay, the skit that I saw, now I understand it now. I didn't understand the skit, but now I understand it. So in the skit, it's a guy, and he's just playing both roles. And so in one part, he be saying like the bad shit, and then the other side, well, on the other side, he be eating lobster. Hmm. Or or he be counting the hundreds. He be having the hundreds all over his arm. Or you know what I'm saying? Like every time it cut back and forth, he doing something. It's another flex. Like he's either counting the hundreds, eating lobster, this and that. And that's crazy. That is no okay. Now the friend did have some type of awareness in saying like, she's like, I'm building my story too. She was like, I'm building my story too, and I have to go through this, and I have to experience da da da, boo boo boo. And, like this is my cross to carry. It's like that's what she calls. That's what she's saying. So nah, that shit crazy, bro. Nah, that shit crazy. I'm trying to figure out. I may need to watch that whole interview to see like, okay, what the hell was the how did we get here? Why was this? Cause mm-mm. No. Then B Simone, because it's like you hear the B Simone part, and then somebody was like, not how H&M catching random stray. H&M like, not her talking to us like we Dollar General or some shit. Like who the fuck? H&M ain't no slouch. I know H&M like, who the fuck is this talking about? H&M business about to go through the roof, or you know what I'm saying? Like yeah, H&M business about to go through the roof. Like there's no such thing as bad publicity. Who the fuck you think you talking to? Like, bro, I don't know. Now H&M ain't on no Zara level, but H&M ain't no slouch. You not about to be talking. You not about to. She said, not that you, not shit, not her talking about H&M like we some Dollar General or some shit. Who the fuck? Bloomingdale's. I ain't never even been inside Bloomingdale's. I don't know what the fuck that shit is. Any the fucking way. Maybe that may be some rich people shit. I don't know. But then again, that ain't no shit that I ever seen. Somebody talking about they about to go shop at Bloomingdale's. Shit. Ralph Lauren got more clout. Tommy Hilfiger. I ain't never heard no goddamn. I thought Bloomingdale's. So, bitch, what type of name is Bloomingdale's? I thought Bloomingdale's. I'm not even saying this shit right. But I thought Bloomingdale. Like, think about this. Let's say, yeah, I just came back from Bloomingdale's. Don't you think I got groceries or some shit? Bitch, Bloomingdale's ain't no. Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is that? I'm defending H&M right now, cause ain't no goddamn way. If they not just I'm anybody, random person, like if you just say, well, I don't know. Let me just speak for myself. I ain't gonna speak for everybody else. But if somebody tell me they just came back from Bloomingdale's, I would have thought they got some groceries. I would ask, what the fuck is that? Where'd you just go? I ain't never. But all I'm trying to say is, Bloomingdale's ain't no Tommy Hilfiger, H&M, Ralph Lauren. They not up there with that. Shit. Now I know H&M ain't Zara, but you not about to shit on H&M like that. Hell no. I don't give a fuck. Just because they sell some pieces for the public, they got some expensive shit. I ain't never looked at a bitch and said, oh, she shop at Bloomingdale's. I ain't never looked at a bitch and said she shop at Bloomingdale's. Just think, if you about to go get your girl something nice to wear, you not going to fucking Bloomingdale's. Anyway, I may need to go watch this B Simone shit. They were like, her broke. Read the room, people. Read the room. Damn near at a recession. Bitch, this is not the time to be talking about her broke ain't our broke.